Welcome at the Wireless Classroom. In this video series, I try to explain the basics of electrical engineering with sample calculations. If you think this video is helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel, which helps me to produce more content. In today's video, I will explain how Ohm's law can be applied in a simple circuit. So Ohm's law says that the voltage V equals the resistance R times the current I. The voltage is measured in volts, the resistance in ohm and the current in amps. Before we can start to calculate anything, we have to define our reference direction for the current and voltage. The voltage is a potential difference between 2 points. This is usually defined from the positive to the negative point. The positive point of the battery is in our case at the top. So from positive to negative, we count the voltage as a positive number at the battery. Similarly, we have to define the voltage for the resistor. We assume that the voltage is counted from top to bottom at the resistor. For the current, we have a similar convention. The so-called conventional current is flowing from the positive to the negative side of the battery. Note that the electrons are flowing from the negative to the positive side. After introducing our reference directions, we can start to calculate the current in this circuit. As we only have one resistor, we can directly apply our Ohm's law to calculate the current. Voltage equals resistance times current. We divide this equation by the resistance and swap sides, therefore we get current equals voltage over resistance. The current equals 12 volts divided by 12 ohm, and this is 1 amp. This brings me to the end of this video. Thank you for watching.